What if the power went out in the dead of winter? Our homes would quickly become cold and dangerous. We rely on technology to keep us warm, but how did people survive before electricity? In northern China, winters were brutal, yet people thrived without modern systems. They used clever designs, working with nature to capture and store heat. These ancient techniques reveal a deep connection to the environment and offer lessons for our future. We'll explore the Kang heated bed, the palace Huodi floors, and cave homes that use the earth as insulation. These aren't just historical curiosities, they're blueprints for sustainable living. Survival was about more than architecture. It was about adapting habits, clothing and food to the season. People counted down winter's days, wore layered clothing, and ate foods that generated warmth. This holistic wisdom offers a powerful guide for facing our own uncertain winters. In northern China, the heart of the home was the Kang, a heated bed that doubled as a living space. Built from brick or clay, the Kang was connected to the cooking stove. As meals were prepared, hot smoke travelled through flues beneath the bed, heating the entire platform. The dense masonry absorbed and slowly released heat, keeping families warm all night without constant fire. This system saved fuel and reduced fire risk, providing safe, steady warmth. Imagine a family gathered on the Kang as a blizzard rages outside, warmed by the day's cooking fire. Children play, parents work, and everyone sleeps soundly, protected from the cold. The Kang's simple, efficient design brought comfort to countless generations. It's a testament to using what you have, wisely and well. For China's emperors, heating needed to be grand and invisible. The Huodi system, central heating beneath palace floors, warmed vast halls without smoke or open flames. Furnaces outside the main buildings burned charcoal, sending hot air through a maze of flues under thick stone floors. The stones absorbed heat and radiated it gently upward, filling rooms with even warmth. No soot, no fire, just silent, luxurious comfort. The system was safe, with fires far from living quarters and precise controls for temperature. The Huodi was a marvel of engineering, serving the empire in quiet efficiency. Ancient ingenuity, scaled up for royalty. On the Loess Plateau, people carved homes, Yao Dong, into the earth itself. Dug into cliffs of Loess soil, these cave houses used the planet as insulation. Underground temperatures stayed stable, shielding families from freezing winters and scorching summers. South-facing entrances captured sunlight, while the Earth's mass trapped warmth. Many Yao Dong included Kang beds, combining geothermal stability with focused heat. These homes were fireproof, durable, and passed down for generations. By building with the land, people created some of the world's most sustainable, energy-efficient housing. The earth itself became their greatest ally against the cold. Surviving winter meant more than shelter. It required adapting daily life. The Shu Ju, or 9 nines of winter, was a folk calendar marking the 81 coldest days, turning hardship into a communal countdown to spring. Each 9-day period had proverbs guiding behaviour, like keeping hands in pockets or watching for the first signs of thaw. Layered clothing was essential. Loose garments of cotton, silk or hemp trapped warm air. Silk was prized for insulation, the wealthy lined robes with fur. Thick-soled shoes and hats protected extremities. Every piece of clothing had a purpose, survival, not fashion. By dressing smartly and following seasonal rhythms, people endured the cold with resilience. These habits were as vital as any architectural innovation. Winter survival was a blend of culture, community, and practical wisdom. Food was fuel for the body's internal fire. Ancient Chinese diets shifted in winter to warming foods. Meats like lamb, root vegetables, and hearty grains. Congee and stews provided slow-burning energy, while ginger, garlic, and scallions added both flavour and warmth. Hot soups and teas were both nourishment and medicine, promoting circulation and comfort. These traditions recognized the body's need for extra calories and heat in cold weather. Eating a hot meal before bed, then sleeping on a warm Kang, was a perfect synergy. Culinary wisdom was passed down as a survival tool. The right foods kept people warm from the inside out. Diet was as strategic as architecture in enduring winter's chill. Modern homes are surprisingly fragile in winter. We rely on thin walls, big windows, and constant energy to stay warm. When the power fails, heat vanishes quickly, leaving us vulnerable. Ancient methods like the Kang and Huodi used thermal mass and smart design. Today, we depend on mechanical systems. Lightweight materials can't store heat, so warmth disappears as soon as the heater stops. Our one-size-fits-all approach ignores local climate and creates brittle comfort. We've lost the resilience and self-sufficiency of the past. Ancient builders designed for their environment, something we need to rediscover. We can't all build Kang beds, but we can use their principles. Embrace thermal mass. Let sunlight warm your floors and furniture, then close curtains at night to trap heat. Seal leaks around windows and doors. Simple fixes make a big difference. Use thick curtains for insulation, just like layered clothing. Focus on heating yourself, not the whole house. Wear warm clothes, use blankets, and pile on duvets at night. Change habits, cook hot meals, enjoy soups and stews, and let the process warm your home. These small actions echo ancient wisdom and build resilience. They save energy, increase comfort, and reconnect us to the rhythms of nature. The past offers practical solutions for today's challenges. Ancient ingenuity can help us thrive, no matter the weather. Ancient China's survival secrets are more than clever tricks. They're lessons in resilience. The Kang, Huodi, and Yao Dong show how to work with nature, not against it. True comfort comes from smart design and mindful habits, not just energy consumption. Our modern systems are powerful but fragile. Ancient systems were self-sufficient and local. We can blend old wisdom with new technology, better insulation, smarter building orientation, and practical habits. This reduces energy use, saves money, and builds safety for the future. The story of ancient heating is a story of hope and ingenuity. We don't need to abandon modern life, just learn from the past. The blueprint for a resilient, sustainable future is already beneath our feet.